So there's a number of levels where supplementation is needed now and really important in this world that we live in. I'd start off with, there's certain things, if you think about a plant, there's just certain nutrients that plant needs. Anything that's alive is like this, and we need certain nutrients. We live in our modernized world, unfortunately, has had some negative effects when it comes to this. Our food, even our really good food now, the food you get from the ground, organic food, our soil is very depleted now of different nutrients that it needs. So even if you're eating a very good, healthy diet, you're probably not getting all the nutrients, all the supplementation that you need. Another big factor, even beyond that, is most people just eat very processed foods, food from boxes, things that are made in factories that are designed to last a long time on the shelf, but really don't have the nutrients that you need. So people are depleted in the essential vitamins, the essential minerals that they need. And because of this, even somebody who's very healthy, you might be a very healthy person, you might eat very well. I know I eat very well. I'm just not getting all the nutrients I need from the food that is available now. There is also biological reasons that certain people don't absorb enough nutrients. They might not methylate it properly. So when that's occurring, certain people just have more dietary needs for certain supplementations than other people with that. So there's simple blood work that you can do to test some of these things now. But there's that's another reason people aren't getting all the nutrients and need to supplement in certain ways. There is also a lot of toxicity in this world. So some of these supplementation protocols that people are doing are actually helping remove toxicity that's having a negative effect on your health and well-being as well.